Today my topic is some basic concept of chemistry, class 11, chapter 1. Chemistry. What is chemistry? Chemistry is the science of molecule and their transformation, which deals with the study of matter, its composition, the changes that matter undergo, and the relation between changes in composition and the changes in energy. Chemistry क्या है? केमिस्ट्री क्या एक ऐसी ब्रांच है साइंस की जिसमें आप मॉलिक्यूल्स की स्टडी करोगे, मॉलिक्यूल्स की प्रॉपर्टी की स्टडी करोगे, उनकी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन की स्टडी करोगे, उनकी कॉम्पोजिशन की चेंजेस की स्टडीज़ करोगे. अगर एक मैटर एक फॉर्म से दूसरी फॉर्म में चेंज हो रहा है तो हाउ कैन द कॉम्पोजिशन चेंजेस and how the energies changes between these conversation. Now these are the chemistry. Now there are the various branches of chemistry. First is organic chemistry, the branch which deal with the study of only carbon and hydrogen and their derivatives. Means the study of hydrocarbon with their derivative. Now what is derivative? Derivative means how the carbon combined with oxygen, nitrogen and sulfur. Now these are called its derivative. Now the second branch is inorganic chemistry. The branch deal with the study of compounds of all the other elements except carbon. Now that is called inorganic chemistry. अब periodic table में तो 118 एलिमेंट है 118, but in 117 element you are studying the inorganic chemistry except carbon. Carbon is for the organic chemistry. Now third, that will be the physical chemistry. Now the explanation of the fundamental principle that governing various chemical phenomena is the main source of this branch. कि कैसे जो आप चेंजेस देखते हो मैटर में क्या चेंजेस हो रहा है, कौन से लॉज उसको गवर्न करेंगे, कौन सी थियरीज उसको गवर्न करेंगी. तो ऑल द लॉज एंड थियरीज बेसिकली जो हमारी किस थियरी किस केमिस्ट्री के अंदर पढ़ेंगे हम, दैट विल बी अंडर द फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री. नाउ इंडस्ट्रियल केमिस्ट्री. केमिस्ट्री इन्वॉल्व्ड ए इंडस्ट्रियल प्रोसेस दैट इज स्टडी अंडर दिस ब्रांच. भाई जो केमिस्ट्री हम इंडस्ट्रियल प्रोसेसेस में पढ़ते हैं, जो भी प्रोसेसेस हम इंडस्ट्रीज़ में स्टडी करते हैं, इंडस्ट्रियल के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से स्टडी करते हैं, वो आपकी किसके अंडर आते हैं? इंडस्ट्रियल केमिस्ट्री. जैसे कि किसी भी सब्सटेंस की क्वालिटेटिव एंड क्वांटिटेटिव एनालिसिस करना. क्वालिटी किस क्वालिटी का है, क्वांटिटेटिव कितनी क्वांटिटी है, वो सब किसके अंडर आते हैं? इंडस्ट्रियल केमिस्ट्री. नेक्स्ट इज बायो केमिस्ट्री. दिस ब्रांच डील विद द केमिकल चेंज गोइंग in the bodies of the living organism. हमारी बॉडी, ह्यूमन बींग्स, लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म, प्लांट, एनिमल, इन सब ऑर्गेनिज्म के अंदर जो केमिकल चेंजेस रिएक्शंस हो रहे हैं, दीज आर अंडर द बायोकेमिस्ट्री. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज द न्यूक्लियर केमिस्ट्री. नाउ द रिएक्शंस दैट इज न्यूक्लियर रिएक्शन सच एज न्यूक्लियर फिजन, न्यूक्लियर फ्यूजन and the transmutation processes, all these are occur in the nuclear chemistry. Now what is the importance of chemistry? Why we study chemistry? क्या importance है इसकी? तो you know that बच्चे, आज के टाइम में केमिस्ट्री बहुत बड़ा रोल प्ले करती है in every respect of life. जैसे chemistry play a central role in the science and is often intertwined with other branches of science. Principles of chemistry are applicable in diverse area, whether pattern, functioning of brain, operation of computer, production in chemical industries, manufacturing of fertilizers, alkali, acids, salts, dyes, polymer, drugs. You know that each and every substance has to be prepared from the chemicals. Now, इसलिए chemistry is the contribute a big way to national economy. हमारी नेशन की जो इकोनॉमी भी है, सबसे बड़ा पार्ट जो कौन कंट्रीब्यूट करता है, वो हमारी केमिस्ट्री ही करती है. Now, when we study the chemistry, we study the basic stuff that is called the matter. In short, in lower classes, you always study what is matter. हम हमेशा कहते हैं ना matter क्या है? Matter that anything that occupies space and has mass, that is called the matter. तो that is okay. Be anything that occupies space and having matter and having mass. That is called the matter. For example, book, pen, pencil, water, air, all living beings, all these are the matter. Now students, these are the flow chart of the matter. Now matter can be classified on the basis of their physical property and the chemical property. On the basis of physically, physical means अगर हमें कैसे दिखता है कोई चीज़. In the basis of physical classification, matter is of 3 types. It may be solid, it may be liquid, it may be gas. But on the basis of chemical classification, it may be pure substance, for example, elements, compounds, or it may be mixture, homogeneous mixtures, and the heterogeneous mixture, and further can divide it into various parts. For example, metal, non-metal, metalloids, these are the elements, and compounds may be organic and may be inorganic. Now here the first one is the physical classification, that solid, liquid and gases. Now there is a difference between solid, liquid and gases. The first one, as you all know, solid have fixed shape, fixed volume. But liquid do not have the fixed shape but the fixed volume. And the gases do not have fixed shape as well as volume. Number 2, they cannot be compressed. सॉलिड को कंप्रेस नहीं कर सकते आप. कितना दबाव डाल लीजिए, हम कितना प्रेशराइज कर लीजिए, वो कंप्रेस नहीं होता. लिक्विड ऑल्सो कैन नॉट बी कंप्रेस्ड, बट गैसेज कैन बी कंप्रेस्ड. एंड द बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल, यू कैन फिल द गैस इन एनी कंटेनर. You can fill the gas in any closed container, your cold drinks bottle, your gas cylinder, your oxygen cylinder. All this show the property of compressibility. They have high density. You know, solids have the very high density. Liquid is the moderate density, but the gases have the low density. How is it happen? By high density means, density high means the particles are very close to each other. So have greater force of attraction between the particles of a solid. So they are denser than liquid. And these liquids are denser than gases. Now next, क्योंकि particles के बीच में force of attraction बहुत ज़्यादा है, that means the solid do not flow. Solids does not show the property of fluidity, but it show the property of rigidity. It maintain its pressure and it's maintain its shape under pressure. But liquid and gases, they can flow because the particles are very far away from each other. So they can flow. So they are called the fluids. Number 5, they do not fill their container. वे अपने कंटेनर को पूरी तरह से, जिस भी कंटेनर के अंदर आप सॉलिड फिल करेंगे तो वो कम्प्लीटली फिल नहीं करेंगे. ऐसे ही लिक्विड्स भी फिल नहीं करती. बट द गैसेस फिल देयर कंटेनर इन विच इट इज फिल्ड.